Stars in the sky awake, whispers in the dark sing, hope in the heart of kings.
Mountains touch the sky high, eagles soaring they fly. Winds of change they cry out, strength in every shout. Rise through to the dawn, hear the warrior song. Strength within us strong, marching all night long. Drums of war they beat, victory tastes so sweet. Unity in every heart, together we won't part. Fathers, mothers, they cheer, children without fear. Legends always say, this is our chosen day. Rise next to the dawn, hear the warrior song. Strength within us strong, marching all night long. To the dawn, hear the warrior song. Strength within us strong, marching all night long.